working. I don't think it'd be that terrible. Just something more than I want to take on right now, but I love that concept. I think it's a great idea. Do it right. The big part is going to be making sure the interview is uh, secure enough that they feel comfortable talking to it. You know what I mean? So private enough, and
Yep.
then that it's full enough so that the system knows exactly what they really, really need, because what people think they need and what they really, really need sometimes are different. And then tying that together, having the analysis piece, and then the build prompt, and then
And
again, since do you want to do the maintenance where it's a revenue stream for maintaining it, or just this is it, one and done. Here's a run book. Bon chance.
Mhm.
hey, thanks, Gina. Gina's got to run, everybody. Thank you. Really
Yeah.
appreciate you.
Thank
Thanks
you.
Always.
for sharing. We'll see you next time. Yeah, I was going to say the also with the questions, Frank, that I specifically have it have the next question be dynamic based on their previous question and use reasoning usually